Hello, my name is Bill, and this is my test program for handling mouse events in pygame. So you import pygame and list and tuple from typing, then pygame init, set the display, and then display caption, and then I create a list of tuples of type integer and a list of tuples of 4 integers, and set most down to false. And then I enter the game loop. So then I check for events in the while loop. So if the X in the corner of the screen is clicked, then I quit and exit the program. So if there's a mouse down event and it's button 1, then I save the position in X and Y, set that as the start for where I start dragging the mouse. So set mouse down equals true. If the mouse button up event occurs, set mouse down to false, and save the position in drag end. And then if the selection is greater than 10 pixels in the X direction and the Y direction, then I append it to my rectangles. Else I append it to my list of points. So I also check for key down. So if it's an S, then I save the screen. Then I get the mouse position. Fill the screen with black and draw the list of points as circles. So size 4 white circles. So if the mouse is down, then I get the minimum for the X and Y for the drag start, and get the width of the drag area of the rectangle. Then I draw the rectangle, and then I draw all the rectangles in the list, and I flip the display. So I just noticed I didn't set the frame rate, but since this is just a test program, it doesn't matter. So this rectangle that gets drawn as you're dragging the mouse, So the previous one disappears each time the screen is erased. So then it gets saved. The final one gets saved when you get the mouse up event. So here, let's run the program. So draws the rubber banding while you're dragging. Release the mouse, saves it to the list. The points. So on my Mandelbrot program, I'll zoom in whenever there's a mouse click to with the mouse click as the center of the zoom area. And if I draw a rectangle over the Mandelbrot, it'll zoom into that area of the complex plane. So, and in the program there was checks for the S key to save the, so I'll quit the program. So if you're interested in any of this code, pause the video and type it into your editor. So that's all for this video.